How to reset Microsoft Store on Windows. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. Click on the search bar at the bottom left and type in System. Click on System and you'll find this kind of screen. You can also open Settings and go to System. On the left side, scroll down and you will find System Components. Click on System Components. Here, scroll down, you'll find Microsoft Store. Click on Microsoft Store, then click on Advanced Options. After you click on Advanced Options, here, scroll down and first click on Repair. After you're done doing that, at the bottom you'll find Reset. Click on Reset and press on Reset again. And after you do that, you're good to go. This is how to reset Microsoft Store on Windows. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.